All right, Sanjay, thank you very much with more updates that you've shared. Now, let's shift our focus to the developments. Heavy rains coupled with gusty winds and thunderstorms battered Delhi NCR and its parts, bringing respite from the sweltering heat, but impacted the flight operations heavily and led to waterlogging in several areas. Areas including Moti Bagh, Minto Bridge, and near Delhi Airport Terminal 1 have all been affected. The southwest monsoon also arrived in Kerala 8 days ahead of its scheduled date of the 1st of June, marking the earliest onset in the last 16 years. India Meteorological Department has said this is the earliest date of the monsoon onset over Kerala after the year 2009. The Weather Department has issued a red alert for heavy to very heavy rainfall over Kerala and the coastal Karnataka, Konkan and Goa. It also forecast heavy rainfall over the parts of central, east and northwest India. As of today, the red alert also includes the forecast of light to moderate rainfall and lightning activity across the vast region encompassing the parts of Haryana, Western Uttar Pradesh, Rajasthan and Delhi NCR. Meanwhile, viewers, my colleague Aditya Vadhavan and Brian Thomas have filed ground reports from early morning when there were scenes witnessed of disruption and also chaos after the overnight launch of thunderstorms in the national capital. Let's take a look.
Well, I'm just standing at ITO, and last night heavy rains have battered Delhi NCR. As we can see, I would request my visual journalists to just pan across the visuals. You can see how the waterlogged roads at ITO are there. The roads are completely waterlogged. The overnight rains have caused such havoc around the Delhi NCR. The rains have completely battered the key parts of Delhi, and you can also have a request my VJ to show the visual of the broken tree, on the footpath, on the side footpath. There is a due to the heavy rains, the tree has also fallen, and as we can see, the heavy water logging is currently visible at the ITO, and this shows that because now since the monsoon season in Delhi is yet to arrive. Usually the monsoon season arrives in and around June, July, and August. So the civic authorities have to be prepared now. How they can prevent such incidents of water logging in several parts of the national capital. This is Aditya Vadhavan reporting for NewsX, New Delhi, with the video journalist Ankit.
Well, after the incessant rainfall that happened in the national capital, many places in the national capital saw waterlogging and trees also being uprooted. Definitely people face some respite, but again the waterlogging situation became very real. We are at the very Delhi Cant underpass, and here you can see at the very underpass itself, you can see the fact that waterlogging situation is very intense, and the two-wheelers, the four-wheelers are all struggling to cross this underpass because the water has reached to the point where it will reach your knee. You can also see there's a car there itself that is stuck from morning itself. It has also double indicators on, and because of the fact the traffic movement is also very much halted. This is the very Dholakua underpass that also leads to Dwarka and other places itself. It connects, and you can see, when you see these visuals, you can actually understand the cars, how if the cars in a down position, you can see the water level rising, and as a result of that also the stream becomes very fast. There are waves also that you can see, and many such areas including the Delhi Cant, the Delhi airport also issued an advisory of delays and cancellations of flights, and this entire underpass is clearly submerged and it's fully waterlogged, and as a result of that also two-wheelers, four-wheelers will be facing a lot of difficulty itself. You can see also there's a two-wheeler also that is struggling to cross this underpass itself. The car, like we mentioned itself, is stuck from morning itself, and you can see the two men also who are driving this two-wheeler scooty. They are also struggling itself. Ahead also, because of the water logging situation, cars are also taking a U-turn so that they don't need to cross the this stream-like structure that has been done, and because of that as well, people will be facing a lot of problems. And this is the result also. This is the drainage line which is clearly blocked itself, and as a result of that, the water is getting is getting accumulated in this very stream. And as a result of that, two-wheelers, four-wheelers will be facing a lot of problem. You can see also this two-wheeler itself. There are people who are struggling to get their cars, their bikes moving, and because of that, there's a halt also. There's a halt in two-wheelers and four-wheelers as well. And again, you see these visuals also of the fact that these cars, these two-wheelers are facing a lot of problem because of the very fact that the waterlogging situation has become very intense at this very underpass. That is the Delhi Can, that is the Dhuala Kua underpass. This is me, Brian Andy Thomas, signing over with camera person Avdesh for NewsX Delhi.